Dipper here, scouting out the place for fishing, and it just rained, so we're probably not going to get much fishing done today, but we'll try tomorrow. We'll try to let all this fucking water, this fresh water, move out for the brackets to come back in and the salt. Hey, look at that turtle head. Look at that big ass turtle. Yep. Look at that big ass turtle. He's big. But yeah, I'm here with Colton House. What the fuck was that? No. Just hanging out today. Probably gonna make a video tonight because of my phone's about to die right now.
Mine too.
I got like 10% left. So I'm gonna make this video short and sweet. Got a long day. Had a long day. Had a really long day today. I had to go to work on the fucking Ford, like usual. Same old fucking Ford. And I gotta get some shit done tomorrow. Try to get some shit done tomorrow. Oh shit, I almost tripped. Trying to drink, but ain't got no money. Sorry, I'm bumping a lot because it's fucking. But yeah, as you can tell, the water's kind of fucked up right now, so we ain't gonna get much fishing done. Look at this dude over here fishing. I don't know if you saw him, but I don't really. He's in the bright green shirt.
You want jumper ropes?
But anyways, we were gonna try to get some fishing done today, but it rained on us and
It's not raining.
it's all fucked up. But when we get done, we're gonna really try to do this shit. And hopefully tomorrow about this time, we'll be catching some fish. But until then, number one dipper. See you later. And this is Colton House.
What's up?
I was saying goodbye. He says, "What's up?" I was saying goodbye.
Goodbye.
Alright. I'll see y'all probably tomorrow. Make a video. Made 2 videos today. This is my second video. And we're trying to get some fishing done. Trying to make my first fishing video. But yeah. Number one dipper. And I'm out.